What if you could get a foldable drone with triple cameras, optical flow positioning, Wi-Fi FPV, and up to 25 minutes of flight time without spending a fortune? Today on Caring Guy, we're taking a closer look at the brand new B9 Pro RC drone, a budget-friendly aerial photography drone that's attracting attention with its impressive feature list and sleek foldable design. But is this drone actually worth buying, or is it just another overhyped gadget? Let's find out.
The B9 Pro immediately stands out thanks to its compact, foldable design. When folded, it's small enough to carry in a backpack, making it ideal for travel, outdoor adventures, vacations, and everyday flying. The overall design looks modern and aerodynamic, giving it the appearance of a much more expensive drone. For beginners and casual drone enthusiasts, portability is a huge advantage, and the B9 Pro delivers exactly that.
One of the biggest highlights is the camera setup. The manufacturer advertises an 8K triple camera system, allowing users to capture aerial photos and videos from multiple perspectives. The wide-angle front camera helps capture more of the scene, making it perfect for landscapes, travel footage, and social media content. The drone also features dual HD camera switching, giving users additional creative flexibility while flying. Combined with real-time FPV transmission, you can see exactly what the drone sees directly from your smartphone. Whether you're recording outdoor adventures or capturing family memories, the B9 Pro aims to make aerial photography more accessible. The B9 Pro supports 5G Wi-Fi image transmission. This allows live video streaming from the drone directly to your mobile device. FPV, or first-person view, makes flying far more immersive because you're seeing the world from the drone's perspective in real time. It also helps when framing photos and videos, making aerial shooting much easier. One feature that beginners will appreciate is optical flow positioning. This technology helps the drone maintain a stable hover by analyzing patterns on the ground below. The result is smoother flight performance and more stable aerial footage. If you've ever struggled with drones drifting around uncontrollably, optical flow can significantly improve the flying experience. It's especially useful when taking photos or recording videos. The B9 Pro also includes altitude hold mode. This feature automatically maintains a consistent height without requiring constant throttle adjustments. For beginners, this makes learning much easier. For photographers, it helps create smoother video footage and steadier shots. Powering the drone is a rechargeable 2,000 milliamp lithium battery. According to the manufacturer, flight time can reach approximately 25 minutes under ideal conditions. Of course, actual flight time depends on factors such as wind conditions, flying style, camera usage, and battery health. Still, for a drone in this category, 25 minutes is impressive. Longer flight times mean more opportunities to capture photos, videos, and enjoy the flying experience. The B9 Pro comes equipped with several intelligent flight functions designed to make flying simple and enjoyable. These include one-key takeoff, one-key landing, headless mode, altitude hold, FPV real-time transmission, optical flow positioning, and multi-camera switching. These features help reduce the learning curve and allow even first-time drone pilots to get airborne quickly. The B9 Pro is designed primarily for beginner drone pilots, casual aerial photography enthusiasts, travel vloggers, social media content creators, hobbyists looking for an affordable FPV drone. If you're looking for a professional filmmaking drone, you'll likely need something more advanced. But for learning, exploring, and capturing fun aerial footage, the B9 Pro offers a very attractive package. Let's summarize the advantages. Foldable portable design, triple camera aerial photography system, wide-angle HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, optical flow positioning, altitude hold mode, long flight endurance, beginner-friendly controls, great value for money. There are a few things to keep in mind. Actual image quality may vary from advertised specifications. Real-world transmission range may differ from marketing claims. Best performance is achieved in calm weather conditions. Designed more for recreational use than professional cinematography. So, should you buy the B9 Pro RC drone? If you're searching for an affordable, foldable drone with FPV capability, optical flow stabilization, multiple cameras, and long battery life, the B9 Pro offers an impressive feature set for its price category. It's easy to fly, packed with beginner-friendly features, and capable of capturing fun aerial footage for everyday use. For new drone pilots and casual aerial photography enthusiasts, the B9 Pro is definitely worth considering. What do you think about the B9 Pro drone? Would you use it for travel, aerial photography, or simply for fun? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more drone reviews, tech gadgets, and innovative products here on Caring Guy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.